Thanks for joining my channel today. I am going to be sharing with you a flip through of Damita Victoria's latest book, and this book is called World of Animals, and this is the hard copy. I decided to get the hard copy of this book and share it with you guys. This book is full of beautiful animals and they are well drawn, and that is right up my alley, what I like. So I hope you enjoy this flip through. I did color 3 pictures for you, so let's get started. As I said, this book is hardcover. It's grayscale, but it's not a dark grayscale. And the book is glue bound. And then you have the white pages with the black backing, and it's fairly smooth. It's not a rough paper. It's not an expensive paper for those who are new to coloring or to my channel. Here's your guide page. And here is the first animal that I colored. Normally I don't color the first animal, or the first picture I should say, in a book, but I did with this one. And it's really, really pretty. I didn't even think that the white was going to show up, but it did. Look at that. I was going to do like the complete white horse here, but I wasn't sure how it was going to show up. But I mean, I like that I did the pink hair just to give it a little twist. Because what? It's my book. I can do what I want. And you can do what you want as well. You just have to use your imagination. But yeah, this book was fun to do, guys. It's really a nice book. I believe this is a rhinoceros. I may not know every animal. I think these are meerkats, kangaroo. Looks like a forest of animals, deer. You got a hare here, which is a rabbit. Looks like a squirrel in the tree. You have your zebra, your camel. There's another camel. It's a hippopotamus. And what? Look at this dog. When I was coloring this dog, all I could think about was Scooby-Doo. I love this picture. This is like my favorite picture out the entire book. And those clouds does not come with the image. I freehand those clouds with the sky. So yeah, I hope you like what I did with this cute little doggy. I did unusual because I gave him green eyes because that's what I would want. I love green eyes. So I gave my dog green eyes. You may see that a lot from me. I'm just saying. There's a cow. There's a bulldog. You have another horse. That's a ram. Here's another dog. Looks like Scooby-Doo. And then you have some woodland creatures here. I'm not sure what that is. I know that's a pelican. And you have a grasshopper here. I believe this is some type of, I don't know, I want to say bull. Here's another dog. A beautiful background. It already has the clouds. And the other one I had to freehand my clouds. Because I just didn't want to color a plain sky, but you can if you want. You don't have to freehand clouds like me. I just recently decided to try and do it myself and see how it looks. Here is the moose. Here's a bear. An elephant. Some more woodland creatures here. You got your frog. You have your swan. should I say a duck? Is a swan a duck? Not sure. And then you have your dough over there. Look at the lily pads. That's gonna be fun. Color in the water. The lily pads with the frogs. This looks like some kind of mountain goat with the long horns. And then you have some more creatures. You have your bees. You have your, I'm assuming that's a bear. And you have Bambi. And you have a squirrel. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not going to even try to tell you what that is. I have no idea. He looks like the cross between an elephant and what do you call it? A rhinoceros. Here's your cat. Sorry. I just don't know what that was. Here's your cow. I'm kind of stuck on this one as well. Is it some kind of deer? There's not Bambi deer. Polar bear. It's a seal. Giraffe. I was gonna do giraffe. And here is your flamingo. Beautiful. Look at all that. The entire page is covered but not overdone. And then here's your gorilla. Looks like another, that's a billy goat, right? Yeah, because it's got the goatee. That's a goat. Here's your house cat here. Here's your rabbit. There's another elephant. There's your pig, porcupine. Oh my God, snakes. I'm so scared of snakes. Snakes. A snake bird. There's another cow. Another deer. There's lots of deers on. There's another house cat. And I'm not really sure. Is that a hedgehog? There's another deer. Horse. Another puppy. There's another deer. Another cow. And voila. Here are some frogs. These are frogs that I color. And what I had in mind to do was some exotic Amazon rainforest type of frogs. I didn't just want to color a regular color frog. And I freehand clouds here as well with the sky. Yeah, I really like this one as well. Here's an elephant. And that is the end of the flip-through, guys. Here's all the information, social media. Here are all the books you can check off. And here's your review page if you want to leave your review on Amazon, which I will definitely do that. That's a lot of times where I color pictures, not just to flip through, but I color so I can post them on Amazon, wherever I got the book, so people can see, because a lot of times when you order books, they don't have the picture. But I hope you guys liked this flip through. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And thank you to all my day ones, and a welcome to all my new ones. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.